How to set up a home network on Windows. Hello everyone. Want to share files and printers between multiple computers at home? Let's learn how to set up a home network on Windows. Ensure all your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network or are connected via Ethernet cables to the same router. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to the Network and Internet, Status, Network and Sharing Center. In the Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings on the left-hand side. Expand the private profile and make sure the following options are enabled. Turn on Network Discovery and turn on File and Printer Sharing. Then click Save Changes. Navigate to the folder you want to share. Right-click the folder and select Properties and go to the Sharing tab. Click Share, select the users or groups you want to share with and set the permission levels read/write. Click Share again and then Done. On another computer, open File Explorer in the address bar and type // your computer name or // your IP address and press Enter. You should see the shared folders and printers from the first computer. To make accessing shared folders easier, you can map them as network drives. In File Explorer, go to this PC and click on Computer tab and select Map Network Drive and choose a drive letter and enter the folder path and click Finish. That's it. You've successfully set up a home network on Windows, making file and printer sharing a breeze. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Happy networking.